Hello, I'm Phil Odell, the Chief Test Pilot with Rolls-Royce, and I'm here to answer some of the great questions that you've sent in. I started by watching aeroplanes, being fascinated by aeroplanes and going to the local airport and looking at aeroplanes. And that grew into a passion. I joined the Royal Air Force and I was in the Air Force for 18 years. And then I was lucky enough to join Rolls-Royce. It varies. I enjoy an awful lot of it. There is some part of every single flight that you absolutely enjoy. When it's testing, when it's very serious, when you've built up to it, obviously you put a lot of concentration into it and you know, it is quite demanding. But there's still some part of every single flight that you absolutely enjoy. Test pilot skill set has changed over the years, and it is changing, and unmanned aircraft and air vehicles are definitely somewhere where we're changing our attitude and our test techniques, yes. I've got so many favourites. The Spitfire is clearly one. Every flight in a Spitfire, everything to do with a Spitfire is fantastic. But then the Boeing 787, the Airbus A380, those aeroplanes are incredibly fun, rewarding to fly. So there's a huge mixture. And then I go down to some little aeroplanes like the Chipmunk, which are just great fun. I've been really lucky and I've never hit that raggedy edge. I've never been scared on a test flight. I hope it stays that way. I'm sure it will stay that way. Risk is a small factor, undoubtedly, but having worked here for 14 years, worked so closely with all of our engineers in Rolls-Royce and watched them go about their business, I have utter confidence in what they do and no doubt when I get into a Rolls-Royce powered aeroplane at all.